Are you tired of juggling multiple apps and struggling to connect your smart devices? Frustrating, isn't it? Switching between different applications, cluttered screens, and wasted time. It's time for a change. What if there's a way to connect all these devices to Apple HomeKit? Imagine having the power to control your Ring, Tuya, Alexa, Shelly, Roborock, IKEA, Roomba, Sonoff, Eufy, Zigbee, Dyson, Meross, and many more devices, all within the Apple HomeKit ecosystem. Introducing Enomek, the ultimate solution to add any devices to Apple HomeKit ecosystem. Say goodbye to the chaos and confusion. With Enomek, you can seamlessly connect all your smart devices, regardless of their brand or compatibility, to Apple HomeKit. Enomek is here to provide you with the best options to connect your smart home devices to the Apple HomeKit ecosystem effortlessly. Simplify your smart home and embrace the convenience of centralized control with us. Experience the future of smart living today with Enomek.